Welcome to the city's most unique gardening service. Meet a crew that's big on talent and even bigger in size. Lead Elephant is ready to transform this space. He's got the gear, the spirit, and a very large rake. First task, watering the petunias. But when you're this big, a little spray goes a very long way. That's not a misting, that's a monsoon. It is definitely a high-pressure situation for these tiny flowers. Luckily, our apprentice is taking a more delicate approach. Every drop counts when you're the smallest on the team. Look at that focus. He might be small, but his passion for professional gardening is truly ginormous. Now for the lawn. Our operator has a bit of a spatial awareness issue with this miniature mower. Hold on tight. It's a wild ride through the daisies and right into the hedges. Watch out for the butterflies. Suddenly, the plants are growing faster than we can prune. The garden is taking on a life of its own. It's a slippery slope when mud and giant trunks mix. This job is turning into a total slip and slide. Despite the chaos, our team stands proud. They're covered in mud, but look at those happy faces. The garden isn't finished yet. Here comes the grand finale from the central fountain. Soaked but smiling. Just another successful day for the world's heaviest horticulturalists.